Today I'm going to teach you how to do a car wash with the Pro case. First of all, let me tell you what we have in the box. We have a wheel cleaner. We got a red microfiber towel, shampoo for body and glasses, got a sponge, a chamois leather, glass cleaner, blue microfiber for final and for finishing, and we have a special cleaner for the customers. So first of all, we're going to start the car with the rim cleaner. We are going to spray them between the rims 4 to 5 times. I'm going to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that we are going to wash it off with just water. We're going to wash the whole car with normal water to remove all the dust, all the sand particles from the car. And then we're going to use shampoo. Now shampoo we're going to use is 4 caps of this in half bucket, which is around 3 liters of water. And then we got the sponge. Now sponge usage is straight. We are not going to use it circle wise, and we are not going to use it zigzag. So all we're going to do is just straight back and forth. After that, we're going to wash the whole car, water. We're going to remove the shampoo, and then we're going to wipe the whole body with usage of chamois leather. Wipe and squeeze, wipe and squeeze. So after drying the body with chamois leather, the final touch is the blue microfiber. We will dump it and then one touch on the whole body. And we're done with the car wash. Thank you.